Hi folks, this is just a quick video recorded on my phone to say I hope you're having a good Saturday, and this is what I get around to doing when I get a chance to, because over the last 15 years I really haven't had a chance to sit down, play with my 3D printer or get any cooking done. And to be honest with you, I love cooking. Have a good weekend. Bye. How's your Saturday been? I've been playing with my bread maker. I've had it for 20 years and it's been great for making loaves. I've also been playing my 3D printer. So how's your Saturday been going, folks? I've just opened it up and can you see the stain? I don't know if the camera's actually collected it, but you can see the steam that's coming off it. That's going to have some hot melted butter on it soon. Something else I've done today is I beat up 6 eggs, chopped a load of mushrooms off, chopped them up, and I'm making these little omelettes, because what I like is in the morning a couple of slices of bacon, cheese omelette, or from Morrison's but you can't get them anymore, and some bread. So because I can't get them, I've been able to make 4, including that one and possibly just the cheese one, with a box of happy eggs, medium size. I can't wait to try these out in the morning. It's a bit freaky watching this getting printed out.